everybody, what's up? My name is Ruby and welcome to my channel Rubylicious. Today we're going to do some working mom hacks on this hair. You're going to need a 1.5-inch curling iron, heat protectant, Redken's Paul Mitchell Smooth, some hairspray. I usually like whatever's on sale, a hair clip, and a comb. So basically what I want you to do is comb your hair out first. This hack usually takes me about, to do my hair before work, I want to say 8 to 10 minutes. And that's how long it's, my hair is about medium length, as you can see. It's medium length there. And I am not a hairdresser or stylist. I'm just trying to be a mom looking decent at work. Okay, so my timer, we are going to set so you can see how long it takes me. Stopwatch, start. Gather your hair 3/4 up, leave 1/4 down, twirl, put it on the clip. Get some of this Paul Mitchell, get some of this Redken, smash it together, put it on the end so your hair is not fried. Make sure your curling iron's hot already, heated. Hold it upside down, twirl your hair, twirl and twirl. Hold it for 10 seconds. Make sure you hold the end so it's not fried, and you just let it go. And voila, see that? See that? Now, as opposed to this other style that people do too, where you open the clamp and then you roll it in, you'll see the difference on the style. It's more like of a Shirley Temple kind of loose curl. It's more like a beach wave. So I like the beach wave look. So we're just going to keep doing that. Actually, I feel like this is faster than doing the other way around. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one's going to see the bottom unless you show them the bottom. So you just kind of twirl it. Let it go. I also have a few more other hacks. This is just the one that takes the longest. If you're really running late, stay tuned because I'm going to do an updo with one of those foam buns. Okay, now grab, the second 2/3, but just half of it. Twirl it. Okay, comb it out. Grab the back. I like doing the back end first and working my way forward, to tell you the truth. Get like a good, inch thick, or, and it takes practice. Like, this didn't come overnight for me. Like, I had to take time, and each time you do it, the faster you get. So I think maybe the first time it took me 20 minutes just to get the feel for it. Hold the thing upside down. And usually after each side, then I'll use a little spray and I'll spritz it. And sometimes I like using like the big sexy hair stuff. But I'm trying to finish off with my this. Okay, this. Okay. Grab the other side. Other 2/3. Again, comb it out. Grab about like an inch of it. Get your thing. Twirl it around. Wait 10 seconds. And release. Repeat. About like an inch, or just try your best. I mean, that's all you can do. We're just working moms trying to look decent at work, like we've got it together, even though we feel like we don't. So, like the saying is, fake it to make it, baby. Let's do this. I've got a toddler. She's 2 years old, and she is the light of my life. I go and bring her to preschool on Tuesdays and Thursdays when I work in the office. And I need to be at work by 9. So daycare won't take her past 9, obviously. It takes me about 10 minutes on the freeway to get there. But again, if you're interested in more mommy hacks, let me know in the comment box. I was planning on doing working mom hacks on how to get out the door when you're running late, and a morning routine for working moms, even a nighttime routine for working moms. It took me a long time to get to where I'm at today. Also postpartum depression, battling that. I am a Marine wife, though I don't live on base. We live in California, and yeah, it's tough. It's tough when your husband's active duty and you know you had your own identity before, and then you suddenly lose yourself in the mix. All right, so there's that. And then thank God for girlfriends, right? If you don't have girlfriends, church, groups, there's a lot of forums online, therapists, see a doctor if you're depressed. We'll get more into that later, but we're still doing the hair hack here. Okay, so like I said, like a little inch, work it, hold it. It's very repetitive, so you can fast forward to this if you want to. I'm almost done. I mean, what you do is you take a shower the night before so that your hair doesn't get so damaged with the blow dryer. And in the morning when it's all frizzy, then you do this hack. And I'm just saying maximum 10 seconds just so that it's just something to go by. But sometimes I do 5, sometimes I do 8, depending. Okay, this in hit. Hold. But you know, when you look good, you feel good. And it's just one of those things where before we had babies, we took time for ourselves to get ready. Then after babies, it's like we're a little troll under a bridge because we can't seem to get it together. And there's no like instruction manual on how to survive mommyhood. And my mom passed before she could explain to me, and even then I don't think she would remember because we were all grown. And R.I.P. Mom died, love you, but still, it's tough. It's tough without having your mama and grandmother. My husband's mom also passed before my daughter was born, so R.I.P. to her too. All right, we're almost done. We really are. Okay. And you know, sometimes it goes like that. My hair is like frizzy, curly sometimes, just unruly, but I feel like I have more volume when I do this. I seem to feel like when I flat iron was the big thing in the early 2000s, you know. But when I flat iron my hair, I feel like I damage my hair more. You gotta hold the tip, remember. You gotta hold the tip so you don't fry your hair. Okay, voila. Spray it though. Spray it. Okay. Spray it. Spray it. Okay. And then, like, you know, just kind of run your fingers through so it doesn't look so stiff. All right, what's our time here? Let's see. Okay, stop. Can you read that, guys? 7 minutes and 52 and change. I'm telling you, you can do this. And people that say, ain't nobody got time for that. Yeah, you have 7 minutes of your life to do this. You can do it. I believe in you. If I can, you can. Anywho, thanks for watching. Click that like button and subscribe. Love ya. See ya. Bye.